tumawag. Hello? Englishman? Who are you? Who? Ay! Kasil ni Maun! Yung kasil ni Maun! May! Kasil ni Saak! Ay, Kasing! I have something to tell you. Do you know how to speak and understand Ilocano? No, Kasing. Okay, Kasing. I will do my best to do my duty and to love my country now. What's up? I don't know what's up, Kasing. Who is what's up, Kasing? He is your friend in the Philippines. What's up? What's up? What's up, Kasing? In the app, Kasing, is the roping. The roping of this. The roping is the app. I did not get it, Kasing. Yes, Kasing, it is very hard to get the ladder. If you get the roping is, you get a ladder. Never mind. Okay, Kasing. How are me? Kasing, I'm still alive and kicking. My urat in parbangon is still tangkal. You know what I mean, Kasing? Yes, Kasing. My other head is always high blood when I see a girl that sexy walking down the street. Yes, Kasing. Yes, I did not change, Kasing. How about you, Kasing? You're not feeling well, Kasing? Why, Kasing? You split with your wife? Oh, Kasing, yes, Kasing, it's very hard, Kasing, if you split. Oh, it's very pain, Kasing. You split, Kasing. Oh my God, Kasing, are you a gymnastic? How's your eggplant and your egg, Kasing? It's not split, it's broke. You broke out with your wife, Kasing. I don't know, Kasing. Why the English in California and English in Hawaii not the same? The Islam. But the money? The same. The money always the same, Kasing. Dollar. Kasing, by the way. Kasing Duplex told to me that he will give me a $1,000. But I think that you are more generous, Kasing. Because when you are in the Philippines, you give me always money. And if you buy in the store, you buy 2 peso candy, your money is 1,000. You cannot, you keep the change, Kasing. You keep always the change. Is, Kasing, your name in our barangay is keep the change. You will give me $5,000, Kasing. Okay, Kasing. Yes, Kasing, I will call Duplex. Kasing Duplex, and I will tell that you will give me 5,000. You are more generous, Kasing. Yes, Kasing. Yes, Kasing. Okay, Kasing. I will call now Duplex.